Once upon a time, it used to be that if you wanted to live a decent life, have fun with your family and friends, and retire with dignity, for starters, all you needed to do was you get yourself admitted to the right college, the type of university that will enable you to acquire the highest level of education, training, and knowledge. And after completion, you will do what every graduate will do: search for and find a decent job that paid well. On the other hand, if you had ambitions, excellent communication skills, and you spend time networking with the right people, then the American dream was within reach to anyone who dared to pursue it. That is, until something happened along the way. First, it was the invention of automation. Then came along the internet. And now, as I speak, AI is on the working. And who knows what is going to come next? Now, if you've been paying attention, then you may have noticed that something big is happening in the world of work today. And right now, the experts say that it will continue to happen in the next 2, 10, or maybe 20 years. And before you know it, in one way or another, it is going to affect you where it matters the most: your bank account. Right now, as you are watching this video, automation and artificial intelligence have already taken over 90% of the jobs humans used to do. Think about that for a moment. If that trend continues to happen, what are you going to do if you lost your job today to a robot? Now, before you brush that thought aside and say, "Well, I will find another job," here is something else interesting you need to know. Did you know that in the next 20 years or so, over 30 million U.S. workers will lose their jobs because of AI? Yes, you heard me right, over 30 million people. So let me ask you, what would you do if you lost your job tomorrow to automation or artificial intelligence? Do you have any plans? How will you pay for your bills? Well, I don't know about you, but as for me, I'm not sitting around and waiting for automation and artificial intelligence to decide my future. And because of that, why don't you take a moment to discover how you can leverage your talents, knowledge, and the skills that you already have? Simply click the link below. Discover how you can start a successful blog and create an entirely new online business model of the future. Okay, click the link below to continue.